morning everyone. So today is our second day in Brussels and it's also Pinjas' birthday, and I actually brought some little cakes that I'm going to prepare in the kitchen. Pinjas in the bathroom right now, and yeah, I have her little birthday gift, so I really hope she will like it. And let's go and prepare the cake. So I got these like cakes and I'm going to put them on a table, and I have a candle, and I'm going to light the cake, not light the cake, light the candle on the cake. Ta-da! I also have to show you our Airbnb kitchen because it's super pretty, like the whole Airbnb. So here's like the little chill out area, super cozy, and this is the view, and the sun is shining. I'm so happy. And there's even this like little terrace, and this is the kitchen. I mean, look at this. And even though there's like the street and the tram outside, it was like I slept quite well. And here's like the entrance. So pretty. And we are on the 3rd floor. And this is Pinjas' birthday gift. I have bought like a towel, little towel for her kitchen, and a birthday card and some licorice as well. So we're gonna put it back into this bag. So let's go and surprise her. So here we already have Stockholm, my favorite. Maybe you remember this from my video if you watched the Stockholm vlogs, and if not, I would highly recommend to watch them. They also have an Eiffel Tower. Okay, so we're gonna play this game. Let's see. I am the policeman and Pinjas the thief. And here is us. I think you're catching me. If you've watched the other vlogs, you will see that we already found this bridge. So we just had a great time at the Mini Europe and now we're on our way to the Atomium. I think that's what it's called. I hope so. Wow, that is so huge.
Verlozen, bitte schauen Sie nach unten. Gina got homemade lemonade and I got this berry kombucha. Holy bowl for me with coconut falafel and rice vermicelli bowl for Pinjas. Yum yum yum. The European Parliament. Apparently the European Parliament is closed for public today because there's a debate, but instead we got these flags
and stickers.